Increditales.
I know, Little Mermaid. It's so hot today. Oh, come on. A freshwater vending machine. You're so lucky, Coral. Come on, machine. Coral is so thirsty. Oh no, the machine swallowed the money. That won't work, Coral. No, Coral, don't do that. You're going to get stuck. Uh-oh. Whoa! Are you okay, Coral? Of course. The machine didn't work because it wasn't plugged in. Let's get that cold water now. Don't tell me you ran out of money, Coral. You have to find a coin. Nothing like a good run. Right, Cinderella? Good idea. It's important to drink water after exercising. Wow! How many have you had already? Another one, Cinderella. You shouldn't drink so much. Hooray! Quick, let's go to the machine. Oh no! It's empty! But how? You shouldn't have drunk them all, Cinderella. Now Coral can't drink anything and she's so thirsty. It's the last bottle. Were you saving it for later, Cinderella? Wow! Thanks, Cinderella. The competition to determine who is the best camper in the world is about to begin. Our contenders today are Red Riding Hood and Cinderella. And as our judge, we have the fair and kind Snowhite. The first challenge is building the best tent as fast as you can. Are you ready, girls? Our contenders are working so hard. It looks like we've got a winner. And the winner is Red. Our next challenge is making the best campfire's marshmallows. Ready, steady, go! Okay, this isn't the most exciting challenge in the world. I admit it. What? There's something behind Red? Oh no! You burnt your marshmallow. Cinderella wins the second challenge. And the third and final challenge will be picking up berries. Okay, apples then. Whoever picks up the most wins the tournament. Ready, steady, go! Is that a wolf? Was that you who was howling? That's mean. Poor Red. The best camper in the whole world. Lunchtime, Coral. Are you hungry? Let's see if the waiter arrives to show you your table. Oh, hey, little guy. How cute. What will its name be? Oh, he's called Gloop Gloop. Here's Robin, the waiter. See you later, Gloop Gloop. Let's see what today's special is. Oh no! Today's special is Gloop Gloop! The coast is clear, Coral. Let's go rescue Gloop Gloop. Come on, hurry! It's too heavy. Quick! Robin's back! Look, the cart is unattended. The truth is that it would be a shame to throw away these delicious cupcakes. Now, let's get out of here. A great idea, Coral. This cart is perfect for transport. Oh no, Robin is blocking the way. Good reflexes. Quick, he's on our heels. I think we lost him. Be careful, Coral. Oh no, Gloop Gloop. Queen Aria is preparing her fruit ice creams. Aria, wait! Oops, too late. Hold on, Gloop Gloop. Almost there. Here is Robin with today's special. A tasty Gloop Gloop dish, but without Gloop Gloop. Hello, Rapunzel. Wow! Your hair looks so nice. So pretty. Oh! What was that? You're right. It's probably nothing. Rapunzel. Huh? I think this was a flea. Yuck! Woof! Very smart, Rapunzel. Now you look super nice again. Problem solved. Uh-oh! It definitely looks like you've got fleas. Have you been skipping bath time? You have to get rid of them. It looks like they're gone. It is getting worse. But where are they coming from? Well done, Rapunzel. With water and soap, the fleas will pop. And the good news is that you can now comb your hair again. It seems that was the last one. Huh? Your brush? It was right here a few seconds ago. Where is it now? This is strange. Footprints! Maybe someone took your brush. Let's follow the footprints. The track is leading us to Beast's bedroom. What's the matter, Rapunzel? Yuck! Beast has been using your beloved hairbrush and filling it with fleas. Let's put an end to this. Yeah, Rapunzel, scrub hard. Get Beast totally clean. What a wonderful day to play in the snow. What are you up to? Do you want to build a snowman? Don't you want to play, Aria? It's so much fun. It's going to look amazing. There are some things that are still missing. Let's go find them. First, let's find the arms. Those two branches look all right, don't you think? Red, be careful not to fall! Wonderful! The branches suit your snowman just right. Now, let's find the next item. Brooms! But they are very well secured. It's move? That's a great snowman. There's something wrong with this broom. Guys, watch out! It's the magic broom that's making the snowman fly. We need to bring him down as soon as possible. Great! That will attract it. Come on, Robin. It's our only chance. You have to lock it. Well done, Robin. Now we should bring the broom back to where it belongs. Look! Here's the top hat we needed. It looks perfect now. Almost real. Nothing good on TV, girls? Wow! A horror movie! It looks so spooky. Hey, Snow White, where are you going? That's right. A movie is always better with popcorn. Hurry up, or you're going to miss the entire film. Come on, it's taking so long. Popcorn is ready. Now the show can go on. Where did all the popcorn go? No way! Did you eat all the popcorn already? That's a lot of popcorn, Little Mermaid. Quick! You're going to miss the film. Popcorn has arrived. It's your turn, Aurora. That's a crazy amount of popcorn, Aurora. You have to be really careful. Aurora, wake up. Uh-oh! I guess it wasn't a good idea to leave Aurora in charge. Looking for a snack, Alice? Oh, it's as empty as your tummy. What if you gave Snow White a hand with her pizza? You can prepare a delicious meal together. Girls, stop arguing. There's only one way to settle this. You'll each make a pizza. It'll be a pizza competition. Ready, steady, go! Tomato, strawberry, it doesn't matter. What's important in a pizza? That the base is red. Cheese time. That slice of cheese is split. Wait, Snow White. Alice wants the broken pieces. Meow. What's the next step, Snow White? How delicious vegetables. Or whatever else you want. It looks perfect, Snow White. So creative, Alice. And now, girls, it's baking time. Both pizzas look yummy. They are saying, eat me. Alice, do you want to try Snow White's pizza? Delicious. Come on, Snow White. A little bite won't hurt. Do you like it? You see, Snow White? In the end, you loved Alice's creation. Sleeping Beauty, you can barely keep your eyes open. I think it's time for bed, Aurora. Well thought, Aurora, in case you're thirsty at night. And beside your glary fairy. Rest, Aurora. Having trouble sleeping, huh? A pea? You don't like to eat in bed either. Everything should be perfect by now. You have your glass of water, your pillow, your doll. Good night, Aurora. That sound? It's coming from the little mermaid's room. Wow! These are some moves you and Bloop Bloop have. Who could it be at this time, Coral? Come in. What's up, Aurora? Oops! It's a bit late to play music, sorry.
Oh.
Finally. Silence. This little mermaid again. Counting Gloop Gloop's jump help falling asleep, right, Coral? No noise, no songs, no counting. Much better. Third time's the charm. What's that? Oh, well, in that case, great rhythm! Happy birthday, Snow Queen! That cake looks so good. Make a wish. Why won't this candle blow out? I see. It's a magic candle. You're so naughty, Alice. That should do it. That's too low, Snow Queen. Power up. Not that much. Oh no! The cake is going to fall on the ground. Nice catch, Alice. I can't believe this. Oh, this will need some vacuuming. Snow Queen, do you really think this is a good idea? You used it all before. Well done, Snow Queen. Yay! It worked! Maybe it worked too much. Such a fancy restaurant, isn't it, Aurora? But where is the waiter? Here's Robin Hood at last. You can't decide, right? Fish for Aurora. Wait, Robin! Aurora has changed her mind. No, wait. Actually, she prefers this other one. Chef, Aurora has ordered a soup of the house. Wake up, Sleeping Beauty. That looks yummy. You're so fancy, Aurora. Oh no! You burnt your tongue? Waiter, it seems that Aurora has burnt her tongue. Can you solve it, Snow Queen? Nice trick! Here comes the not-burning soup. Uh-oh, it's still too hot. Snow Queen, you have to cool it more. Great, Snow Queen. Surely she will like it now. Maybe that's a little too cold. Isn't it, Aurora?
She likes it.